Now the cow catcher is going to be different because you're going to use an auxiliary view. And what an auxiliary view is something that shows us our angled edges, but at true dimension. So this one's going to be kind of weird. So I'm going to click cow catcher. I'm going to open this up. The first thing I want to do is get a good view of it. Now the front of the cow catcher is actually this piece. But what I want to do is look at it from the back so I can work on these pegs. These pegs won't be hidden. Okay? So this is going to be my front view. Then I'm going to come over and do my right. Then I'm going to come over and do my top. And then I'm going to come over here and not do my ISO. So this is kind of breaking the rules a little bit. But it's the best way to dimension it. So let's go ahead and place down an ISO of the cow catcher as well. So I'm going to do a custom view. I want it one more and right here. So I want to picture that. Okay, and then let's color that in. Alright. So here we need one more, which is an auxiliary view. And another detail view so we can show this extrusion here. So I'm just going to do a detail, just like in the picture of this little front section, detail E. Make sure the E right here is off the page. And I'm just going to set it right underneath, somewhere here. Okay, and now let's move these down. We got detail E right here. The scale's a little big. We don't need it that big, so I'm going to scale it down 4:1. Okay, and that just gives us something to dimension to there. Now if you want to dimension this, what you can do, you've never seen these ones before, but you can do leader text. So I'm just going to click here, leader text, and I'm going to click on, I don't know, this little edge, and come out, and then double click. And when I do that, it'll give me some text to work with. And I'm just going to put that dimension in there myself, 0.050. And then say OK. Once you get that, we can start working on the auxiliary view. So, what the auxiliary view is you see this angled edge right here. It's at an angle, here it's at an angle, but say that the distance between here and here is 0.5, right, or half of an inch. Well, when you're looking at it like this, it doesn't look like half an inch. So this is where we need an auxiliary view. So we're going to click auxiliary view, and then we're going to click one of these angled lines here. So first click on the part. So click on auxiliary view, highlight the part in red, click on it, and then pick one of the angled lines that you want to reference or come off of, right? So I'm going to click this one, and then I'm just going to bring a picture out like this. Now if you look, it just took this angle and it's made it flat now. So all of these parts are now at true size. So I'm going to double click on this here. I'm going to make this solid so it gets rid of all these hidden lines. And the only thing I really care about is this little portion here. So I'm going to come in and take all of these pieces, and I'm going to hold down Control and click the rest. So these are all green, these are all green. Zoom in and get that guy. I'm going to right click and just hide them. Okay, same here. I'm going to take all of these ones. This is just so we can get a quick, easy dimension of the offset that you used right here. Okay, that's good. And then these ones. Oh, I highlighted too much there. So this line, visibility, and this line, visibility. Okay, so now this is set up here, so you can come in and you can do your dimension between these 2 points. So remember this, whoops, not the points to these 2 lines. Remember this was 0.100. Now remember this is typical, so you need to come in here and add the TYP, okay? So that just tells us that, okay, everything, these 2 lines are 0.1, these 2 lines are 0.1, these 2 lines are 0.1. I don't have to come in here and add that a whole bunch of times. Alright, so now you have your aux view set up, you have your detail view set up, you have the rest of this set up.